I'm so pleased. It has so many accompaniments. So many accompaniments. I'm going to link it down below. It comes in a set. You're going to get the waving machine, the hair blower, I think this is the massaging one to massage your scalp or something. This is in a set. This comes in a set. So that means that if you have this, you don't need to buy nothing. And the quality is everything that you need. I simply love this. This, I simply love it. You're my bestie. You need things like this at your head. Let's transfer it to your life. I love it.